Hi, cooking friends. We're back with another great recipe today.
And you know, every once in a while, you just sit there and think, what do I have in my cupboard? And
nothing in mine.
No, there's nothing in her cupboard. I have all the stuff in my cupboard.
Yeah,
but
I go to the store and get it whenever I need it.
She does.
I do.
Hers is like, you know, bare. But mine's stocked. I always have stuff in there. But I always have things that I can make really easy, especially when the weather's getting warmer and I don't want to cook too long or have something in the oven too long. I always keep cans of beef or whatever, and I can make and whip up something quick. And this recipe is no exception because I love this and my family loves this. You can make this just about anywhere. You can even just make it with a microwave.
And I've had it and it is really good.
It is really good. So today we're making her shredded beef tacos, and you guys are gonna love it. We have a set of knives from Schmitt. It's got all kinds of stuff. It's got steak knives. It's got all your different size knives in here. All the way down, you got bread knives.
This is my favorite thing.
And we even have a sharpener in here.
Knife sharpener.
Knife sharpener. It's got everything you need. We thought that was really neat, and we said, you know, let's use that in the show today because we're excited to have it, and we appreciate them sending it so we could try it out. And by the way, the link for these knives are right below this video, so if you guys want to check it out and try this out, I think you guys will like it too. We're excited about it because, you know, we're always looking for sharp knives, aren't we, Sheila?
We are. If Steve had these, then he wouldn't have had all those dull knives that everybody.
I know everybody used to comment on Steve's dull knives. And boy, you gotta get a new sharp knife.
It's like, you need a bigger knife. That's too little. You know,
now we don't have that problem anymore. We've got sharp knives, thanks to Schmitt. And like I said, don't forget to check out that link below. We're gonna start this recipe by chopping up some of this yummy stuff to go in our tacos.
And putting these things to test.
We're gonna put them to work. Let's go ahead and chop that up. Boy, this cut's nice and easy. Steve would really like this one.
He never quit chopping.
Yeah, this is good stuff right here. And I like my lettuce really chopped up and small.
From this side of the camera, it looks really, really good.
So we're gonna chop all this lettuce up. I'm just gonna set those aside. All right, so now I'm gonna get my maters chopped up here, and I'm gonna use this little paring knife. Look how easy that cuts. Look at that. And I always like to cut the outside because I don't want all the seeds. So I usually will just slice out. And look how easy that just slides through there. That's so nice. I'm gonna chop up some onion here. So we've got our skillet on medium-high heat, and I'm adding in a little bit of olive oil. And then I'm going to add in our chopped up onion. So we've got some roast beef, and this is the roast beef with the gravy, but all we do is drain out that gravy, which makes it really simple. Now if you've got some leftover, you know, pot roast or whatever, you could use that. You can also use hamburger meat, but this roast beef is delicious, and whatever's left of the gravy in here is going to cook off as soon as I put it in this pan. Now, I got just the McCormick taco pack seasoning. You can get whatever kind you like, or if you just want to make your own, you can. But this makes it real simple. We got Taco Bell beat all to heck.
Right.
All right, I'm gonna set that aside, and over here we have our oil heating up. It's just about hot enough. So what we've got is some white corn tortillas, and you could use white, yellow, whatever kind you want, but I like corn tortillas. You could use flour tortillas if you want, but these are what we like to make our tacos with. So got some regular vegetable oil in here, and I usually just take some tongs and just, I do one side at a time. I fry up the one side, and then you can just flip and get the other side. I'll usually do this a couple times. But that gives it its taco shape, but it's still cooking. And I will tell you, as you get going, these taco shells get better and better as the oil gets hotter and hotter. And we're just gonna set that right over here on our paper towel, and we're gonna do another one.
One down and 10 more to go.
At least. And then some, because you know everybody else will be going, hey, I want one. Make me one too. All right, so we're gonna get the rest of these fried up and we'll show you what we're gonna do next. All right, so we got our taco shells all done and they're still a little soft so you can still flex and bend them. And you're just gonna take and scoop your yummy meat mixture right in the bottom. This makes quite a bit, those 2 cans, so I mean there's a lot here, so you could feed everybody.
And you're planning on it.
And I'm planning on it, that's right. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of taco sauce. Just a little bit. Oops, that comes out a little quicker than I wanted to. And a little bit right there. Take some cheese. And just stuff it in there. This is not gonna be a neat recipe. This is gonna be stuff it in. Good stuff.
That's my kind of making.
That's right. Sheila's like, I'll have that one right there. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and put my sour cream on because I think once I put that lettuce on, you're not gonna fit it on there. You can do this in whatever order you want to. I'm gonna put my, so I love this little squeeze tube for this. It's perfect. Take you some shredded lettuce and then just fit that right on over the sour cream. And you'll like all the stuff falling all over the plate here too because you're gonna eat that too, I guarantee you. You'll be like spooning that up too. These are so good. What do you think, Sheila?
I'm thinking you need to hurry up.
Look at that.
Now you're going to decorate it with some tomatoes.
Little tomatoes. I am so ready to try this. Are you ready?
I am.
Isn't it this? Oh my gosh.
Look how pretty it is.
And we have so much more. I mean, it makes a lot more than this. So believe me, those cans of beef will make a ton and I can't wait to try it. You ready?
I'm
ready.
ready.
Let's try it. Okay. Let's take a, I have to put this plate underneath here.
Yes.
It's gonna get a little messy, but
oh, it's messy.
It's gonna be good
it's
though.
Falling over everywhere.
You ready?
Yeah.
Mmm. Aren't those good? Mm-hmm. Mmm. That is so good. When you make those tortillas like that, it's so much better than like the store-bought stuff. You've definitely got to try that.
Like you said, it's not too crunchy and it's not too soft.
Exactly. It's like right in between. Now you can make it crunchier if you want to, but it's easier to stuff and everything if you just leave it a little bit flexible where you can put more stuff. I'm having another bite because it's good.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. Mm. That was so good. Mm. Isn't that good?
Mm. Really good.
We wouldn't lie to you, I swear. Mm. Well,
these are delicious.
They are delicious, and I know you guys are gonna like this. You gotta try it. Get you some canned roast beef, gravy, drain it out, whip up some tacos.
Put your onions in.
Get your vegetable oil going, fry up some tortillas, and yum, yum. And as Steve would say, are these the best shredded beef tacos? If they ain't, they ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye. All right, I'm having more tacos.
Another bite. Another bite.
Well, that's Shishi and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.